Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cover a song in Suno AI. We'll walk through the exact flow inside Suno, keep things simple, and highlight a few helpful tips so your cover sounds clean and intentional. Whether you're creating a fresh version of a favorite track, experimenting with a new genre, or just exploring what's possible with AI music generation, this process can help you produce a cover that feels both recognizable and creative. First, head to Suno's Discover page. This is where you can browse trending tracks or search for something specific. Take a moment to play a few previews and think about what you want your cover to showcase. Maybe a new mood, a different vocal feel, or a twist on the arrangement. For example, you might transform an upbeat pop song into a relaxed acoustic performance, or turn a mellow track into something more energetic and cinematic. When you find the track you want to work with, hover over it and click the three dots. That opens the quick actions you'll need. From that menu, choose Remix. Remix is the doorway into reimagining the song with Suno's tools. Inside the remix flow, switch to Cover. The Cover option tells Suno you want to reinterpret the song while keeping its core recognizable, focusing on new performance and style choices. Think of it as creating your own version of the song rather than starting from scratch. This allows you to preserve the original identity while adding your own creative direction through vocals, genre choices, and overall production style. Next, choose an audio option that fits your approach. You'll see modes like Remix, Inspo, Mashup, or Sample. Remix leans on the original as a guide. Inspo uses a reference track to nudge the vibe. Mashup blends elements for a hybrid feel. Sample focuses on a short clip or motif. Choosing the right mode can have a significant impact on the final result, so don't hesitate to experiment if you're unsure which one best fits your vision. If you're uploading or referencing audio, aim for clear, high-quality sources. Trim out long silences, and keep the loudness consistent so Suno can analyze it cleanly. Cleaner source material often leads to more accurate interpretations and smoother vocal generation. Now edit the lyrics. You can keep them as is or make thoughtful changes. If you adjust wording, try to preserve the flow. Matching syllable counts and line lengths helps Suno keep phrasing natural. Structure verses and choruses clearly, and avoid overly dense lines that might feel rushed. If you're rewriting sections, consider maintaining the original song's rhythm and emotional intent while adding your own perspective. Also, be mindful of rights and platform policies when deciding what to include. Taking a few extra minutes to organize your lyrics can make the final performance feel much more polished. Move on to style settings to give your cover its personality. Pick a genre and mood that match your vision. Maybe you shift a pop ballad into an indie acoustic, or push a mellow track into high-energy electronic. Consider tempo and intensity. A slightly slower pace can bring out emotion, while a tighter groove adds punch. If there's a vocal character or instrumentation you want to emphasize, describe it succinctly. For example, phrases like warm acoustic guitar, powerful rock vocals, dreamy synth atmosphere, or soft emotional delivery can help guide the generation. The more clearly you communicate your creative direction, the more likely Suno is to produce a cover that matches your expectations. When everything looks good, click Create. Suno will process your choices and generate the cover. Give it a careful listen on headphones, since you'll often notice small details in the vocals, arrangement, and mix that are easy to miss through speakers. If the vibe isn't quite right, tweak the lyrics for pacing, swap the audio mode, or refine the style prompt and create again. Small, focused adjustments can make a big difference. Sometimes changing just a few words in the style description or slightly altering the mood can dramatically improve the outcome. With a few passes, you'll land on a cover that feels fresh, cohesive, and uniquely yours. The best results often come from a little experimentation, so don't be afraid to generate multiple versions and compare them before choosing your favorite.
You left your cup by the sink and your coat on the chair. I still catch your shape in the corner of air. I read your last reply like it might change tonight, and I try to be cool